Hello guys, RedStar here. Welcome to my newest video. In today's video I will be teaching you how I make SpeedArts, like SpeedArt from the Central Europe or the latest SpeedArt Benelux states and other. Before I start drawing, I always look to my recording software OBS. You should always set your mixer to mute all the audio sounds, which counts microphone and a normal sound from desktop. Then I go to the settings and I make sure that my output quality is set to high quality and medium file size or 8500 bitrate per second. Recording format is MP4 like always, and you should always use your hardware encoder like I use, which is basically that my encoding software runs on my GPU, not on my CPU, and it's better. In the video tab you should set your resolution to your main resolution. My resolution is full HD 1920 to 1080. Also, you shouldn't put a scaled resolution. Downscale filter should be set to bicubic as it is not really needed, and you should set your FPS to 60 or 50. When I do SpeedArts I use 50, and make sure that in your advanced tab the process priority is set to high and the color range is partial because it is not really needed. And after all those settings, make sure that you disable preview, as it really increases performance. Then, after I check all my OBS settings, I go to Google Maps, select a good resolution for my map. As you can see, I choose Czech Republic. I must make sure that it is in good size. After I check everything, I make a screenshot. Now we can finally go to the PaintNet, the program I use. In PaintNet we click on File, New File, then we will set the resolution to 1920 to 1080, as it is the best resolution for SpeedArts. Then we will paste our map or screenshot. We will create a new layer and we will start with drawing the borders. Before we start drawing the borders, we must put hardness to 100% and we must turn off anti-aliasing, as it is really not good. And we will also change the pencil size to 3 or 4. Then we can finally draw the borders. After we draw the borders, we will delete the layer where's the screenshot. Then we will select our border drawing, we will copy it, and then we will paste it on a new layer. Also, we will click on Effects, then on the Blurring, and we will select Gauss Blurring. It will give the border a little shading effect and it looks really nice. I personally set the Gauss Blurring to 7 or 8, because when it is too high it might get really weird, and if it is too low it can not be seen. So after we did the blurring, we can add the white background to the first layer. Then we will drop the flag, we will create a new layer and we will maintain the flag into the border drawing. After we finish the dropping flag in our border drawing and maintaining it to look great, we can finally remove the white background and change it to the picture of the capital city or to some other city. As you can see, I choose Prague, the capital city of the Czech Republic, and you can actually search for wallpapers. It is the best because it is in full HD resolution. And after that, I choose some blurring for the capital city because it gives a great effect to the SpeedArt. Lots of painters use it, and you can use Gauss blur or other blurs. After we select the blur, we can finally merge our first layer with the border drawing, and we can maintain the size of the border drawing. We should not yet merge the background with the border drawing because you never know when you need to resize your picture. After the resizing and merging, I draw country balls because who don't like country balls? And yes, I'm breaking the rules. I use the circle tool, but why not? It doesn't need to be ugly and like not spheric, so I use circle tool. It shouldn't be done on a new layer because you need to remove the entire spot of the background and of the circle, so you should do the country balls drawing to the background or not to new layer or to the border drawing. Then I drop a flag again. I put a little eyes. And I put also a little text to make it much formal. I also drop shadow to the text to make it look more clear and nicer, but the dropping shadow is only available in the plugin. I will put the download link in the description so you can download it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I make SpeedArts. It isn't hard, it is really easy. Everyone can make SpeedArts. So guys, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and in another video, tschüss!